How to make $100 a day using free AI tools, beginner friendly. Imagine making money online using free AI tools, even if you have zero experience. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple method that beginners are using right now to make money from home. Welcome to Smart Income Hub, where you learn smart ways to make money online. This method requires no special skills, no upfront investment, and you can start immediately. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Choose a simple service. The first thing you need to do is choose a simple service that people are already paying for online. For example, you can offer YouTube scripts, social media captions, or simple logo designs. These are services businesses and creators need every day. And the best part? You don't need to do everything yourself. Step 2. USE free AI tools. Now this is where the magic happens. You will use free AI tools to do the work for you. For example, use ChatGPT to generate scripts, ideas, or captions. Use Canva to design logos and graphics. Use CapCut to create and edit videos instead of spending hours working. AI helps you finish tasks in minutes. Step 3. Find clients. Next, you need people who will pay you. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Search for services like YouTube scriptwriter, social media content creator, logo designer. You'll see people charging between $5 to $50 per job. You can start small, build reviews, and increase your price over time. Step 4. Simple workflow. Here's how it works. A client places an order. You use AI tools to complete the task. You deliver the work quickly, and you get paid. That's it. No stress, no complicated process. Realistic income. Let's be realistic. If you make just $10 per job and complete 5 jobs in a day, that's $50 daily. Scale it up, improve your service, and you can reach $100 per day or more. Here's a simple trick most people ignore. Stay consistent. Even if you start small, doing this daily can turn into real income over time. Success online isn't about luck, it's about consistency and smart action. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing more simple ways to make money online using AI tools. You don't want to miss it. Remember, the opportunity is already out there. The only thing left is for you to take action. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your income grow.